Ang ganda ng room namin. Ito ang mini kitchen where we cook.
Auntie, I want to measure.
And this is our fridge. Wow! Coca-Cola.
Auntie, I want something. Auntie.
Wow, the court is so huge. Ang ganda ng bahay namin. This is our house.
House?
Yeah, this is my house. This is the balcony. Diba? Sosyali ng bahay ko. Ang ganda ng view. Yan, may slide pa. Oh my God. Pwede ka mag-surfing. Bongga. Okay, let's go to sleep now.